We're gonna do a brow lamination and we're gonna also tint and wax our brows. So wow, look no further. It's gonna save you so much time and so much getting ready in the morning. You look cute. Ooh, wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing brow lamination. I haven't done my brows in a while. You need to leave. So this is a perfect example of how you can do your brows at home. I haven't plucked or done anything with my brows in a couple of months, so I'm super duper excited. I have been doing my brow lamination for a couple of years now, and so yeah, I think I know what I'm doing because they always turn out pretty good. My brows looking a little bit crazy right now. I don't know if y'all can tell. Look, all we need is a couple of things. We're gonna do a brow lamination and we're gonna also tint and wax our brows. So literally all in one, save your $100. This is super cheap and this stuff will literally last you for half a year. Okay, we're gonna need this BU perm lotion and this step 2. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, so y'all don't have to look anywhere, look no further. And then for the dye, you guys can buy it on Amazon, but I bought stuff from Amazon, but I also bought it from this one company called Bronze Sun. And I'm gonna be doing a light brown because I do not need my brows looking all black. Alright, first things first, we're gonna first clean your face. My face is already clean. I already washed it. I just put a light moisturizer, but I avoided my brows. Make sure your brows are nice and clean from any oils or any like things. So just wash your face, put some lotion, but avoid the brow area. So for the solution, since my brows are really thin and my hair is very fine, I'm only gonna do 3 minutes on each side. So I'll do 3 minutes on one brow and then 3 minutes on the other eyebrow. But you're basically gonna want to apply it. Step 1. And you're gonna want to hurry up and do this part because as soon as this product hits your brows, it starts doing its job. So you're gonna want to, you know, be fast with it. Just like so. Then you're gonna get some of this cellophane, I don't know if I said that right, but basically food wrap, and put it all over your brows. And then before your brows are done, you're gonna wanna, after like, depending on how long your brows are setting in for, about like a minute into the process, I like to go back in and brush out all of my brows. Make sure the product is penetrating all throughout properly, you know. Okay, now that my brows are all done,
you're done.
I just got some toilet paper. Just wipe them off. Alright, step 2. We're doing the same thing. So since my brows are super thin, I'm only leaving it on for 2 minutes. I like to put my time watch on, so as soon as I applied the product, the time is already running. Leaving it on for 2 minutes as well. As soon as I have applied my product, I then start counting down the minutes, but I try to apply it really fast. Oh. Just like so. Okay, 2 minutes have passed. Yay! And now we're gonna do the color. So the mixing ratio for the color that I have is 1:1, so it will be 1 part color and then 1 part the solution. Okay, so 1 part of the solution. I'm not gonna do a lot because I really don't need a lot. I don't want my brows to be dark. I just want them slightly tinted so I don't have to put on my brow tint. It literally is gonna make my life so much easier. It's gonna save you so much time and so much getting ready in the morning. All you have to do is literally brush your brows up with some clear gel, but this is about how much I do, literally like the tiniest bit ever. and then give it a good stir. You can buy all these products on Amazon. It is so cheap. You can also give yourself a lash lamination. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. Currently I have my lashes on, but they're gonna be off shortly. So if you guys want to see how I do a lash lamination, I can also show you guys as well. Just leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to share all my tips and tricks and how you guys can save your money, especially in today's economy. I know it's rough out here, girls. I know. You tell me. I know. So this part is a little tiny bit tricky because it's kind of hard to line up your brows perfectly, but just do your best. I just do my best and then I just fix it up with the Q-tip after I am all done applying this. Okay, so they look a little bit crazy, but with the Q-tip, you guys can just super easily shape it up. I only leave it on for 1 minute because I only want it to color my hair, not my skin. And since the lash lamination stuff that we put on our brows, it has opened up our pores of the hair, so it really doesn't need to be on for so long. The difference is not super crazy because, like I said, I don't like my brows to be dark, but I also want them to be noticeable, so yeah. I just keep it on for literally a minute, not super long. Boom, time to wax. To be honest, I have never waxed my own brows, so I'm very scared, but since I've done it so much on my clients, I believe in myself. So yeah, ride along with me on this journey. You're gonna want to cut some strips for the wax. I like to cut them pretty thin because I'm not gonna be using a ton of wax, so about like this thin. You don't really need long ones either, just like pretty short. And then you're gonna need a couple of these. I will probably just use 2. And then you're gonna need wax, which I bought from Amazon. I'll link everything down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, let's hop right into it. Okay, this is about how much you guys will want to grab. Literally a incy wincy twincy bit, okay? Okay, first things first, brush your eyebrows up, and then I'm gonna do, my wax isn't super warm, and I'm gonna do it like so. Oh, I'm so scared not to get my lashes. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah. So you're gonna want to apply wax with the growth of your hair. So if your hair goes that way, you're gonna want to apply it this way, and then we're gonna rip it off. You're gonna rip it off the other way. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Okay, good. Let's go. I've never waxed my brows, so if you see me wax half my brow right now, just keep it to yourself. And then you're gonna want to press your skin top. Ooh, wow, that hurt. As soon as you pull it off, you're gonna want to apply pressure with your other hand to cool off your skin. That felt nice. Look at that hair. Yo, my hair is so long. Wow. Okay, before, after. Would you look at that? I'm actually really good. So not too much. Let's do the other side. Wish me luck. I'm so scared. I got this, I got this, I got this. Oh shit. It definitely touched my lashes. It's okay. If I pull out one lash today, that's fine. Woo. And then we're gonna pull the other way of which your hair grows. Pull our skin top with the other hand.
He needs some milk.
Ooh, that sure hurt. Yo, I got a good amount of hair. Yeah, without messing up my brows. Yo, let's go. She look cute or whatever. Since I don't have any like middle hair, I only have like peach fuzz. I'm just gonna tweeze it out. But that's about it. I don't wanna wax too much of my brows because I want to keep them nice and fluffy. But yeah, that will be it for today's tutorial. Make sure to apply oil on your brows every night because we did just fry our brows into making them stand up, so we want to make sure we put moisture back into our brows. So you guys can use sweet almond oil, argan oil, or any other like moisturizing oils for brows. And in the mornings when you guys are getting ready, just apply some brow gel to fluff them up, and that's about it. You guys can style your brows as much as you guys want, but I like to do that. I like to brush them up and then just like play around with them and find your style. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any recommendations of what I should post next. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys later.